Hello, Xhorse fans, when you perform ID48 96-bit online calculation, an error pop-up box appears after the data acquisition is completed, and the error code is 5000. Don't worry, this is just because there is an inconsistency between the account bound to the device and the login account. We just need to log out of our current account and log into the account bound to the device. Now let's try it again. Collect 8 sets of data. Put the original remote into the coil for verification. Start calculation. Verify the original key. And put in a VVDI superchip. Okay, the clone was successful. If you have any questions or topics of interest, please leave a comment. See you guys next time.